Today we are in North Indio looking at the new home community, España. The builder is Lennar, and this community is located north of the 10 freeway in Indio on the border of Palm Desert. Now this is an HOA gated community with HOA fees of $195 at build out, 318 single family homes with paid for solar. Now these homes range anywhere from the high 400s to the high 600s. They do have a multi-generational model. There's 2 models in each of the 3 collections that I am going to take you through today. My name's James with LPT Realty. Thank you so much for joining me, and let's check them out. Thank you so much for joining me as I take you on a tour of the España community, a new home construction community by Lennar located in North Indio on the border of Palm Desert and Indio. Today I'm going to take you through the 2 smallest models, the Aila series. Now there's 6 models in this new home community, 2 in each series. Aila is the smallest, Palencia is the mid, and Terraza is the larger. So if you're interested in something larger, be sure to check out my channel for the larger models. But today I'm going to take you through the 2 smallest with the least expensive starting at $475,000. Let's take a look. So this is the smallest of the 6 modeled homes, the smallest series. This is residence 1 of the Aila series, 1,229 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. Let's take a look. So as I mentioned, this one is 1,229 square feet, 3 beds, 2 baths, 2-car garage, starting at $475,000. So as you enter, you're on this long, narrow hallway. To the right here is going to be your garage. Right across from the garage is your first bedroom. So the window faces the front of the house. Closet there. These are 8-foot ceilings. And then here is your restroom, shower tub combo, single vanity. So that would also serve as your guest restroom as well, as there's only 2 restrooms in this house. Then to the left is your living area. Open kitchen there. Actually, before we get there, to the right is going to be your second bedroom. Laundry area. So dryer there. And a washer right across from that. So no room for a sink, but you do have some storage space above both. Or you could do a stackable washer dryer combo and put a sink in there if that was something that was important to you. This is your second bedroom here. And then exit back into the living area. So you've got your kitchen, no island, but open kitchen. You've got your sink and dishwasher there, stove and microwave combo, refrigerator, and then a small pantry. This is a great starter home, and for under $500,000, brand new construction. Granite countertops, nice big sink. Dining area is here. This table seats 6. You've got your backyard access right there. And then your primary bed is off the kitchen and dining area. So this is your primary bedroom. All the rooms are carpeted. And then 12-inch tiles you'll find come with these homes in the restrooms, kitchen, entry, laundry, shower tub combo there. And then there's your walk-in closet off of the restroom. So one thing that I don't like, that I'm not a fan of, is how that's your door to your bedroom, that if it's open, all of your guests are looking at your bed and your bedroom. So again, a nice size covered patio. And again, these lots are about 7,500 square feet. This is the smallest of all of the modeled homes here in España. Residence 1, starting at 475. So let's take a look at the next one. There's residence 1, 2, and 3, and we're gonna look at residence 3 next. Okay, so as we enter, we are in a long, narrow hallway here. So a lot of room. They've got a mirror here on the wall, a lot of room for pictures or artwork, but only enough space for one person, maybe two side by side as they're walking. So straight ahead to the left is bedroom number 2. Laundry is there because bedroom number 1 is behind us, facing the front of the house. So bedroom number 1 here with your closet. Now all of these homes are gonna come carpeted in the bedrooms and then 12-inch tiles in the hard areas. Laundry, kitchen, entry, restrooms. So laundry there, no room for a sink in this one unless you were to do a stackable washer and dryer, if that's important to you. Right across from the other bedroom is bedroom 2. Closet is there. So to give you an idea of the space, you've got a queen size bed there and 2 nightstands. These homes have 8-foot ceilings. This is your garage entry there. Bedroom number 3 looks like the largest of the 3 bedrooms before we get to the primary. You got 2 twins there and a dresser. Your closet is here. That's your garage entry, and then right across is bathroom number 1. Shower tub combo, single vanity, toilet. Further down the hall, you will enter your kitchen to the right, living space, and your dining area. So let's take a look at the kitchen here. You've got your refrigerator, stove, microwave combo, small pantry there to the left of the refrigerator, your sink and dishwasher, granite countertops. So no island, but you could put some stools there to form another seating area. And then you have your dining space here. You can see that's a 6-person dining room table there. So it's a good amount of space before hitting your living area. Access to your backyard is there. And then right off the living area, right next door to the kitchen, is going to be the primary bedroom. So the bedroom is separated from the other bedrooms. Shower tub combo in the primary bed, so not a separate bath and shower like you do see in most of the new homes. And then your dual vanities there. Walk-in closet. Nice sized closet, actually goes all the way around here. And then your toilet is there, toilet room. And then back to the dual vanities and back out. No backyard access from the primary bedroom. Your only backyard access is going to be right here off of your living area. Now, the lots in this community are about 7,500 square feet. Obviously, some of them will be bigger if they are on a corner or cul-de-sac, and some of them will be smaller as well. Some of them I did notice have an incline, so you will lose a little bit of yard space there with a slope. But this is the residence 3 of the Aila model. And that concludes our home tour of the Aila series in the new home community España, located in North Indio on the border of Palm Desert and Indio. If you're interested in the larger models like the Palencia series and the Terraza series, be sure to check out my channel as I toured those models as well. If you enjoyed this home tour, give me a like, Let me know in the comments which out of the two was your favorite. And if you're looking to relocate to this community, be sure to contact me or your realtor before going to check out the models, because the new sales office will require you to register. And if you register without your agent present, you will not be able to have representation. So it's very important that you contact your realtor. Of course, if you do not have representation, I would absolutely love to work with you, as I am an expert in all things Coachella Valley. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions about this community or any community in the Coachella Valley, my contact info is in the description below. I would absolutely love to answer your questions and work with you if you are looking for an agent who knows all things in the Coachella Valley. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.